Introducing DAP Plastic Wood Wood Rot Repair Kit. Restore, renew, and strengthen rotted wood surfaces using this two-part repair kit, which includes the plastic wood wood hardener and the plastic wood epoxy filler. Step 1. Use the plastic wood wood hardener to prep and seal your repair area. The plastic wood wood hardener reinforces soft wood fibers, forming a solid base, and has excellent adhesion to damp wood with a fast dry time. Step 2. Use the plastic wood epoxy filler to fill and shape your repair, filling cracks and holes to restore rotted, damaged, or missing wood. The filled areas can then be sanded, shaped, and painted for high-strength, weatherproof repair. To prep your repair area, remove all loose material and soft wood with a utility knife, chisel, or bristle brush to ensure that the area is clean and free of debris. Stir the wood hardener. Then, using a clean paintbrush, apply thoroughly to the rotted surface, coating the entire repair area. Apply 2 to 4 coats as needed. Allow the wood hardener to dry for 2 to 4 hours. Next, remove the plastic cap and plug from the threaded end of the epoxy filler cartridge and screw on the self-mixing nozzle. Place the cartridge into a standard caulking gun. Before applying the epoxy to the repair area, dispense the epoxy filler on a piece of scrap material until a uniform natural color appears. Apply the epoxy filler and, using a putty knife, spread evenly and shape to match the original contour of the wood. Once the epoxy filler has dried for at least 3 hours at 75 degrees Fahrenheit, use a mechanical sander to smooth the surface. Sand until the repaired area is flush with the surrounding wood and has a uniform appearance. If desired, paint for a seamless repair. DAP Plastic Wood Wood Rot Repair Kit. Restore, renew, and strengthen rotted wood surfaces.